Hi, this is Anu and welcome back to my channel. So glad you could join me today. Today is the 24th. This video will be posted on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everybody that celebrates. This is the giveaway number 9 today. We're getting close to the last one, which will be giveaway number 10, which will be epic. So stay tuned for that. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you click on the little bell to get notified every time I post something new and to be notified right away when I have giveaways. So today for giveaway number 9, here is what you will be able to win on YouTube, and here is what you will be able to win on Instagram. To participate in the giveaway, super simple. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel for my YouTube giveaway and comment in the comment box down below whatever you want today. And then for my Instagram, which is right here, you need to follow me on Instagram, of course, and also you need to comment in below this picture, and I will randomly choose one of you in the next few days, and I will contact you directly to let you know that you won. So I hope everything's okay with you. What can I tell you about me? Super excited. Today we are going to a Christmas Eve dinner with the family. Tomorrow my mother-in-law is coming to cook at my house. Yes, I love her food, so that's really nice. So we'll get up in the morning, open presents, then she'll come cook us an amazing meal, and then maybe in the evening we'll go to see a movie. I think I want to see Mary Poppins. And then I'm waiting for snow because I wanted to go ski, but nothing is happening here in New England. It's pretty warm, so crossing my fingers for some snow. I would love a white Christmas. Anyway, so this was for the giveaway number 9. I hope everything's okay. The longer part of my cardigan is coming this Friday, so stay posted to that. And yeah, that's about it. Happy holidays to everybody and good luck to the ones that will participate in my giveaway. I love you. Bye.